Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add user profile on your Netflix account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type netflix.com and hit on enter right now. Once you've logged into your account, you will view something like this. Right here is the browse section of your profile. Simply select whichever profile you want to see. But right now, we simply want to add a profile. On the right side of the screen, you will see a button called as Add Profile. Simply click on it. And from here, something like this will open up. Now what you need to do is simply add your profile name right here. And in case it's for a kid, you can tick on this button right here. Once everything's okay, simply hit on continue. And then as you can see, you have successfully created a new profile. Now if you want to create a new user profile from here, simply hover over to the top right section of the screen, that's a user profile. And from here, simply go to accounts. Something like this will open up. Now there are lots of options like overview, membership and others, but for now we simply want to click on the profile section right here. Once you've clicked on the profile section, something like this will open up. At the very end, you will see something like this, Add Profile button right here. Simply click on it. Now the same process once again, click on this Add Profile button right here, enter the name and hit on continue. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you add a new user profile to your Netflix account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.